In front of me is VIVO X80 Lite, and today I would like to show you how you can delete a password saved in Google Passwords Manager. First of all, go into Settings. Then scroll all the way down, and when you're ready, hit Accounts. Then hit this gear next to Google under Autofill service. Select Google Password Manager and tap on any of your saved passwords that you wish to delete. I will go with my booking one. Enter your current screen lock and click on Delete button next to the Edit one. Lastly, confirm your choice in the pop-up. So when I do that, as you can see, my password was successfully deleted. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!